Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before you are going to watch water pollution, I request to subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Okay, today's topic is water pollution. This is a very important topic. So what is the definition of water pollution? Water pollution is defined as the contamination of water by foreign substances which would constitute a health hazard and make it harmful for all purposes known as water pollution. Here, we will observe the contamination of water by the addition of foreign substances. So, by the addition of foreign substances, the water undergo contamination, and that kind of the water is completely harmful for all purposes. So, this process is called as water pollution. Now, the substance which cause the pollution is called as pollutant. So due to the formation of pollution inside the water impart bad smell, bad taste, offensive odor, unpleasant color, etc. These are the some characters of water pollution. Now what are the major sources of water pollution? The major sources of water pollutions are several types. For example, domestic sewage. So from the domestic sewage, a large number of microorganisms will entering into the water bodies, and also from the animal waste and from decaying of animals and plants and discharge from food processing factories. Number of organic wastes are mixing with water molecule. So from the chemical fertilizers, number of plant nutrients mixed to the water bodies, and from industries as well as chemical factories, number of toxic heavy metals entering into the water. Finally, due to the erosion of soil by the agriculture and strip mining, number of sediments in this way, number of pesticides, radioactive substances, as well as heat are directly or indirectly added to the water, make it harmful for all purposes. So these are some sources of water which are responsible for the formation of pollution, etc. So due to the formation of pollution inside the water, there are no advantages. So number of disadvantages there. The common discussed causes for water pollution are given below. Those are, one is pathogens, and next one is organic waste, and third one is nothing but BOD. These are the important causes for water pollution. First one is nothing but pathogens. You know, pathogens are the disease producing microorganisms. Normally, 5% of microorganisms exist inside the water bodies. But when disease producing microorganisms present inside the water bodies, the water impart pollution. Pathogens will entering into the water bodies from domestic sewage as well as animal excreta, etc. And the second one is organic waste. The organic waste include the number of compounds such as leaves, grass, trash, etc. So some of excessive phytoplankton are also responsible for the water pollution. So this kind of wastes are completely called as biodegradable waste or organic waste. So these are called as biodegradable waste because all are purely degraded or all are purely decomposed. So these are some of the causes of water pollution. So when we observe phytoplanktons, when excessive phytoplanktons are present on the surface of water bodies, those excessive phytoplanktons will absorb oxygen from the water bodies and thereby destroy the aquatic life. The amount of oxygen present in the water is called as BOD or biological oxygen demand. A clean water must have biological oxygen demand less than 5 ppm, whereas highly polluted river water could have a BOD value of 17 ppm, sometimes more than 17 ppm. Next one, what are the chemical pollutants which are responsible for the water pollution? Some of heavy metals such as cadmium, mercury as well as nickel responsible for the formation of environmental pollution. So these are not excreted by the body, but these are having the ability to damage the kidneys as well as central nervous system and the liver, etc. So these are come under the category chemical pollutants. Next one is acid polluted water. So this is the most important thing for the water pollution. The acid polluted water is releasing from the number of industries in the form of waste material. That waste water mixed with the water bodies to create the water pollution. And some of waste materials like petroleum products, pesticides and polychlorinated biphenyls are also added to the water. Polychlorinated biphenyls are having the ability to create the cancer. So these are called as carcinogenic compounds. And by using the excessive detergents as well as fertilizers, water pollution is caused. For example, when we observe the detergents are having a high percentage of phosphate ions. So when high percentage of phosphate ions encourages the formation of algae, which reduces the dissolved oxygen concentration of water. This kind of the process is called as eutrophication. So due to the accumulation of large number of phosphate ions on the surface of water, it can attract the growth of algal compounds. When the growth of algal compounds more, that growth of algal compounds destroy the oxygen level which is present in the water bodies. So aquatic life is adversely affected. So there are some international standards of drinking water. So when we observe the fluoride as the metal, the maximum permissible limit of fluoride is 1 ppm. So when the water is having above 1 ppm fluoride level, automatically it causes harmful effect to bones and teeth. Finally, lead. So when we observe the lead, the maximum permissible limit of lead is 50 ppb, parts per billion. So above 50 ppb, it can damage the kidney, liver as well as reproductive system, etc. In case of sulfates, the maximum permissible limit is 500 ppm, but in case of above 500 ppm, the drinking water cause the laxative effect. And also nitrate as well as other metals also you have to know. You require, you can take a screenshot here, no problem. Okay, this is the lecture about water pollution completely. So let's summarize one thing, that is nothing but water pollution. So by the addition of foreign substances to the water impart bad smell, bad taste as well as bad color. This kind of process is called as water pollution. And water pollution is generally having the number of disadvantages. And also we have discussed about a number of causes of water pollution like detergents, fertilizers as well as organic wastes as well as pathogens, etc. And also we have learned the international standards of drinking water, that is nothing but fluorides as well as chlorides and also some of the other metal ions, etc. Now the topic of water pollution is over. Stay subscribe, like this video, comment this video and also share this video to your friends. Thank you very much. In the next session, we are going to discuss about the soil pollution. Thank you.